Okay, so what you need to be watching for in here is the effect of direct speech. Why does Caesar quote this Aquilifer guy? Okay. Why does he focus on one person telling the story rather than the scene of the story?
Because of those words that Hannah was saying one day.
I mean, like, does he know exactly what this Aquilifer said? If he didn't, like, report his name? Like, random Aquilifer A? You know, interstage right? Okay. So, we have an ablative absolute here, right? What's different about this ablative absolute rather than our normal Delios?
Is compounded use a noun?
It's a participle.
It is a participle?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, I'm in wellness right now, so can I just like...
And with our soldiers delaying, chiefly on account of the depth of the sea, he who carries the eagle of the 10th Legion. Having called to witness the gods.
Is it having been called or said?
Nope, it's a deponent verb. Yep, having called to witness the gods. Okay, and this is an indirect command. That this thing would happen, fortunately for the Legion. So basically, that the gods would look favorably on them. He says, jump down, soldiers, unless you wish to betray the eagle to the enemies. What does that mean?
They are gonna like lose their skills because they're gonna use it.
Yeah.
Is it
Is what?
unless you wish to lose the eagle or our eagle?
Yeah, the eagle to the enemies. Then we got I certainly will have performed my duty to the Republic and to the Emperor. Or to the Commander, I guess. Commander would be better than Emperor. Okay, what is the effect of this chiasmus here? Everybody see how it's chiasmus? We got A, B, B, A.
So that kind of like encompass how it's like duty applies to both Commander and Republic, maybe like to the same amount.
Yeah, his loyalty to both the Republic and to Caesar himself. Like, he was going to make sure that he did his job. And he was, like, encouraging them to make sure that they did their job. Or maybe Caesar just threw that in there.
I mean, obviously all of his soldiers love him.
That's right, everybody loves him.
Caesar.
That's right. According to Caesar. Okay, so then we got a cum clause here. Okay, so we got, when he had said this in a loud voice.
Is Voce Magna manner?
Yep. He threw himself out of the ship. And he began. Wait, hold on. No, that's right. He threw himself out of the ship and he began to carry the eagle against the enemy.
So,
Okay, so then our men, having encouraged among themselves, come on, let's see if I can come up with a better, having urged on among themselves.
can you, instead of saying among themselves, can you put like each other?
I didn't say it meant like this made great English. Okay, so this is an indirect command. Lest such a great disgrace be allowed. The whole group jumped down out of the ship. I'm not sure my next part of this translation makes sense. So we got likewise when the first men had the first men out of the nearest ships had caught sight of them, or had caught sight of these guys, having followed closely, they approached the enemies.
Wait, isn't substituting a prime, so to be following closely?
Well, it's having followed closely. It's a passive.